childrens. Hi childrens, we now solving exercise 6.1 in that 7th one, which is the last one problem in this exercise. See what question gave us. Draw a right triangle in which the sides are of lengths 4 cm and 3 cm. Then construct another triangle whose sides are 5 by 3 times the corresponding sides of the given triangle. It means here which triangle gave us? Important, right triangle. Right triangle means in which triangle have a one angle is a 90 degree. It means roughly we draw means this like we right triangle we getting here. This is a 90 degree. It means two sides give. One side is a 4 cm give and another side is a 3 cm give. And angle what give? 90 degree. This like we want to that draw this triangle. So let us now we discussing or solving this problem. Step 1. Draw 4 cm line segment. Here 0 to 4. 0 to 1, 2, 3, 4. This 4 cm one line segment we drawn. This name gave any one name. We gave this BC 4 cm. Now take a protractor. We want to that 90 degree angle. So needle of this protractor keep on a point B and 90 degrees where C. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and 90. 90 upside what do this like mark draw and one ray draw which passes through this mark point. We got here 90 degree angle. 90 degree angle. Step 3 in that what do second side what gave a 3 cm. That much distance take in a compass from your measure scale. Here we now taking 0, 2 and 3 cm distance we took in a compass. And needle of this compass put on a point this B and one arc draw. One arc draw this like arc drawn. This arc intersect this ray. That point M give A. It means AB is equal to how much? 3 cm we got. It means two sides and included angle they give. Now we want to join this A and C. AC if we join means we getting a right angle triangle ABC. This like we got here. For this right angle triangle we want to that another similar triangle. For this what do? In step 4 draw one BX ray from point B which have any length. This like with that BXV ray drawn which have any length BXV took. And here observe ratio 5 by 3 is there. In that which is a very bigger number 5. So on a BX ray take 5 equal points. Now what do we want to do? 5 equal points we want to take on a BX ray. So I will taking here 5 equal points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 5 equal points I took here. And this names we want to that right. This B1, B2, B3, B4 and a B5. This 5 points name I give up. Now enough ratio in that which is a very smaller 3. So B3 and C what do this? Join. B3 and C what do this? Join this line. If you neatly observe, BC is a very smaller is there. So what do? This BC increase up to some distance. Up to some distance. Here this much we increase this. And now what do? Take a compass. Take a compass. Take a compass. In that compass any some distance take. And needle of this compass. This B3 on put and one arc draw. This like arc draw. Same this needle of this compass put on a point B5 now. Again one arc draw. This like this previous arc where we are intersecting that much distance taken a compass. This much we to get in a compass. And needle of this compass second arc where intersect there put, and again one arc draw this like drawn. Now this intersecting point and this by B5 through passing one line segment draw which intersect this. If you draw means we getting one intersecting line here, this intersecting here, this point name give a C dash. Same procedure here, what did a same procedure upside do. Take any some distance in a compass. I took this much, and needle of this compass again one time, this point C on that put again one arc draw this like same distance whatever took in compass, same needle of this compass again one time put on a point C dash, again one arc draw this like this previous arc where we're intersecting that much distance take in a compass, and needle of this compass where second arc intersect there put again one arc draw this like, and this C dash and intersecting arc through passing one line segment draw. This like we getting where this second line segment where intersecting this B ray their name give A dash. See, given right angle triangle ABC, we constructed another right angle triangle outside which is lies outside, that is A dash B C dash. Here whatever construction did here mention that given triangle ABC, given right angle triangle ABC, for this be similar triangle drawn, and triangle A dash B C dash which is the required construction for given triangle. Thank you for watching.